not my life making some noise. It is not that, y'all.
What happened?
It's the... Stay tuned.
Let me see. What do I... See, this get me.
That filter looks so cute. You look like a little cat.
I look like... You are ridiculous, bro. What?
You look like a little cat.
I'm not never doing that.
Hi, I love your free thank you. Yeah, it's really sick. Yeah, I really came here for the mess.
And that's it.
2 is fire. Y'all, it's so crazy. Chris Dubs, what's good, child?
What's up, Chris Dubs?
Yes.
The most underrated.
You're beautiful and attractive. Oh, thank you. I'm actually bald-headed. And this is a filter. Yeah, I know the first one. The first filter. Look at the filter was confused just now. Like, what should I do? It's a little dark. CNZ. Shout out to all female battle rap. I'm bullheaded. Where you going all dolled up? I just put a little eyeliner on, y'all, and a little bit of lip liner on my lip. Nothing on my skin. Because it's raining. Yes, still sexy. A bad bitch. You heard? You motherfucking heard?
I'm
Straight from the BX. One of the baddest. Don't get me started, Ashley. Don't get me out my body, Ashley. Don't get me out my body, Ashley. One of the baddest.
Oh my God, y'all. She is so crazy.
It's the neighborhood check-in. New York City, stand up. No surgery. No surgery.
No surgery, no shit.
I didn't even get on the table yet.
Oh my God, you are crazy.
All they got on me is teeth.
Oh my God.
Don't let me get the... Don't let me. Nah, let me stop, y'all.
Oh my God.
I'm chilling.
Which house is it? Dude, which one is it?
This... That's this one.
Is it this one?
Yes, child. A bad
What
bitch.
is this?
Shh. A plantation, bitch.
Oh, what?
A bad bitch.
Is it?
Did something really happen to... Y'all, don't be asking me those questions. Last time I said, I don't know, he got mad at me and came for my neck. Don't ask me again about that man.
Oh, my God.
Don't ask me about that man.
What is it?
It is raining, y'all. I gotta go.
If you don't...
I gotta go. Bitch.
Let me tell you
Come on
something.
in like a cat man.
Get this off of me. If you don't...
We pulled up to get out.
Listen, and yes. Put out.
All right, y'all. Let me go. This shit don't even look real. It look foggy.
No, but it look regular because that's how you actually look,
That's
bitch.
how I look, bitch.
No, but you playing because this is how you actually look. It look weird on me. I don't understand.
Well, let me look that way then.
Bitch, but it don't look. But if you look at me, though, now you gotta go tell me that. Okay, look, see, I don't fucking look like that.
It changed a little.
Yeah, like you see what I'm saying?
You saw
Like,
it change.
that's how you know it's meant for a female, though. It's meant for a female.
Oh my God.
That's how you know it's meant for a female,
Bitch,
though.
yes. Ashley said, like, all right. We leaving now.
All right, come on, yo.
We in the jungle. I gotta go. Hi, Chris. Hey, Chris. We in the jungle, child. This filter make me look like a motherfucking porn star. All right, y'all. Let me go.